Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the transfer now, so plug the Lightning or USB-C cable into your iPhone and laptop and unlock the phone. When the trust prompt appears, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This authorizes data transfer. On Mac OS, open Photos or Finder, and on Windows, open Photos or File Explorer, select the device. Once connected, preview thumbnails, make sure there's sufficient laptop space. From here, choose Import or Copy selected folders. Don't skip selecting only the photos you want to avoid unnecessary transfer. Now choose the best method. Photos app import is reliable for large batches. AirDrop is fast for small groups. iCloud Photos sync moves everything via the cloud. If you see hike files and need JPG, set iPhone to transfer. Settings Photos transfer to Mac or select Automatic Conversion on Windows Photos during import. For thousands of files, import in batches to reduce timeouts. Monitor progress bars. Make sure laptop stays awake, and once a batch finishes, confirm counts and locations before starting the next batch. Finish by verifying file counts and opening several photos to confirm integrity. Then organize images into folders and apply any renaming or metadata fixes. Create a backup. Copy the folder to an external drive or enable cloud backup so you don't rely on one copy. Safely eject the iPhone before unplugging. If the phone doesn't show up, make sure it's unlocked and trusted, try a different cable or USB port, update OS or drivers, and restart both devices. These steps resolve most detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.